Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make homemade multigrain bread, which is very simple. You just need to put all the ingredients in your bowl. You don't even need to get your hands dirty because you have this wooden spoon and you can just stir everything there and then put your dough in a baking dish and bake it, and you have a wonderful healthy multigrain bread for your avocado or egg toast, and enjoy it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, I measured everything today, so I have 2 cups flour here, 1 cup wheat bran, which is great for your digestion. I have 1 cup oats, and I have 1 cup ground up oats, and 1 cup steel cut oats. And I like to add some nuts or seeds. I have half a cup sunflower seeds. You can add sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. And I like to add this everything but bagel seasoning because it gives really nice flavor to my bread. And salt, of course, a tablespoon of salt. And I have here yeast. So I'm gonna mix this yeast in a little bit of warm water where I have a 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon honey. And just mix that. This way it's easier to incorporate in my dry mix or even water. You can just sprinkle in your ingredients, but I like to do this way. Okay, and just pour. And this was like 1/4 cup of water, and I have here lukewarm water, about 2 cups, but I'm just gonna add little by little and see how much water I will take. So if you make it like, if you add a lot of water and if the dough is thin, then your bread will be a little fluffy. This is a dense bread because it has so much heavy ingredients like steel cut oats and sunflower seeds, so it's not gonna be a fluffy bread, but that's what we want. We don't want fluffy bread, we want very dense bread. Seems perfect. So as I said, it's not gonna rise too much, but I think that should be good. So I'm gonna move this in my loaf baking dish, and this is a great one because you don't even need to spray non-stick spray because it does not really stick. And I bought this beautiful pan at the thrift store for $2. What a bargain. All right, I'm just gonna put this dough here and press. And you can either put that in the oven already. I preheated my oven to 350, or just let it sit maybe for 30 minutes and I'm gonna let it sit for another 30 minutes or an hour covered, and just let it rise a little bit, just a little. It's not gonna rise too much, so it kind of fills the corners. And we're back with our beautiful multigrain bread. So I'm just gonna pop it out. It's already cooled down, and I also made this wonderful roasted garlic spread, and I'm gonna test it on the bread. So let me cut a slice so I can show you. I like to slice the bread and put it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer, so this way it keeps really nice. So look at that, it's very dense and smells fantastic. So what you do with this bread, you put it with a spoon, just like that. It has a little bit of salt and a lot of good olive oil. And that's it, pretty much. It's a fantastic appetizer. There we go. Let's try it. So fantastic. Very good. So
So we just made our wonderful multigrain bread. I hope it was easy. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down below and I'll be happy to answer. And I will see you next week.